everyone, mikaytv vlogs at your service. So another weekend for us. So today I am planning to make a chicken barbecue with chicken kebab and shrimp. So we are going to grill today. Then huwag na natin patagalin. Eto na! For our brain, I will put 2 cups of water, about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, maybe a teaspoon of salt, garlic, onion, and there is also black pepper, guys. Then let's boil it. After boiling, let it cool down and set it aside. So I'm going to cut now our chicken. So we have to cut it like a square size. Let's season it with salt, black pepper, cumin, paprika, turmeric powder, soy sauce, and cooking oil. And I also put some yogurt. Then let's just mix it. And it's better to marinate it about overnight. And when our brain sauce already cooled down, let's put our chicken, and it's better to marinate it also for overnight.
The next day,
And I also included shrimp. So I season it with salt, black pepper, cumin, turmeric powder, and cooking oil, and let's just mix it. After mixing, guys, let's set it aside because for now we are going to prepare our salad. So we have here lettuce, chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, grated carrots, sweet corn, chickpeas, red kidney beans, radish, we have here spring onion, coriander, and a little bit of mint. In our sauce, I have here lemon, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and I put some honey. So just mix it and set it aside. And now we are going to cut some vegetables that we need in our chicken kebab. So we have here bell peppers, yellow, red, and green. So I will also put onion cut in cubes, as well as the tomatoes. And now let's put our chicken in our steak. So it depends to you on how you will going to design it. And before I will do the shrimp, I already started the charcoal. And let's do our shrimp. I'm going to prepare now our barbecue sauce. Then you have your cooking oil, soy sauce, black pepper, ketchup, salt, and garlic. And spread it with our chicken. And then let's start. And let's mix our salad. And everything is ready, guys. Our chicken got a little bit burnt, but it's okay. It's only the skin. Thank you, guys. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for joining in my premiere. Sana kahit pa paano meron akong na-share sa inyong recipe, and thank you always for coming in my channel. So, hope to see you next time, and good luck again sa last chapters, and see you next time!